Good morning, friends. See here one more notification that is from Netaji Subhash University of Technology, Dwarka, New Delhi. You see, this is a recruitment notice and this is an advertisement. Dear friends, now and then, just we are observing few vacancies. Of course, many vacancies are based on typing skills. Okay, you see many few categories given here, that is LDC, lower division clerk, that is required 35 words per minute in English typewriting, and stenographer we know very well, we can discuss it. And after that you see upper division clerk. For this category also, typewriting 35 words per minute is very much needed. And if you go another, that is head clerk, you see head clerk here also asking typing speed at the rate of 35 words per minute. And you see here assistant storekeeper, here also asking 35 words per minute in English typing. And we can see here, so like that. Nowadays, typing certificate is very much important. Of course, in few departments are asking typewriting certificates, and few departments are not. But whatever it is, but the typing skill is very very important. That's why we are being stenographers and typists category. We are feeling very happy to see all these notification based on our skills, my dear friends. I'm feeling very happy with this. So we can see now, this is non-teaching recruitment from this university, that is Netaji Subhash University of Technology from New Delhi. Dear friends, it is a good opportunity to all of us, not only from one state but also throughout India, because our capital city is New Delhi. And you are being youngsters, you are being the learners of shorthand. You don't hesitate to go and join wherever you can get an opportunity as stenographers, because if you think like that, I can get my job at my native place at Hyderabad only, at your districts like that. You don't think nowadays. You go anywhere in the throughout India, wherever you can get an opportunity, just you go and apply, just you go and join there. After completion of 5 years or minimum 3 years, you will get an opportunity to come back to your region. There is no doubt at all. But you don't think that I can apply only my native state. You don't think like that. Just you go apply, and just you get an opportunity, just you spend there about 3 to 5 years, then you come back. Every department will give an opportunity to give you transfer to your region on humanitarian grounds also, whatever. But you are being stenographers, you should be strict and mentally fit to go anywhere in the India, I mean. So, dear friends, get ready for that. Okay, don't think only regions. Okay, here we see always we are being stenographers. We can see a junior stenographer here, but here typing they are asking. That's why we can start with LDC. You see here LDC posts are there, about 35 posts are there and categorized accordingly. Here they are asking 10th, 12th class, that is equal to intermediate, and also a typing test, typing speed at the rate of 35 words per minute in English on computer. If you have any certificates on manual typewriter, but they are going to test you on computer, dear friends, that is, and pay scale, etc. But the age is asking 27 years. Of course, the relaxation is applicable for reserved categories as per the rules of state government of New Delhi, dear friends. That is. And next, we are coming for junior stenographer. This is, you see, the here total 10 vacancies are there, and they reserved accordingly. And essential qualifications, 12th class, that is equal to intermediate. And just you see skill test norms, they are going to conduct a skill test for junior stenographer posts. You see, the duration of dictation 10 minutes at the rate of 80 words per minute. This is equal to lower grade. And also minimum 35 words per minute in typewriting in English on computer. They are going to test you the speed at the rate of 35 words per minute, but on computer. It is very easy for us. There is no doubt at all, because already many people, many of our friends passed. I think higher grade, lower grade, whatever accordingly. That's why it is very very easy for us. There is no doubt at all. And the age limit is 27 years, and relaxation also applicable as per rules. And UDC here they are asking degree and typing at the rate of 35 words per minute. Here 8 vacancies are there for UDC, and 27 years of age and relaxation is applicable as per. Here library assistant, there is no need to discuss about that. And we see here head clerk, they are asking graduation and typing at the rate of 35 words per minute, and knowledge of computers and basic office software tools like Windows, Excel, etc. That is common nowadays. And here the age is 30 years, and relaxation also applicable as per the rules. And we go for assistant storekeeper. Here you see 12th class and typing minimum 35 words per minute accordingly. 27 years of age required here, and reservations are applicable as per rules. That's it. And That's it. Okay, we can go for important points only, but not all. Okay, here you see age limit. Okay, here you see apply through online only. It is through online mode only. The candidate should be the citizen of India. The educational qualification, experience, age, and other eligibility condition as stipulated in advertisement shall be determined as on the 1st June 2021. Up to that, just they can consider like that. And next, we can see reservation benefits. You see reservation, you know very well, for SC, ST, ST, etc. are given here. For SC, ST 5 years, OBC 3 years, PWD 10 years, PW and SC, ST 15 years, PW and OBC 13 years, etc. are given here. They are all common things. We know very well about that, and there is no need to discuss in clear way for that. Okay, how to apply? Here you see no manual paper applications will be entertained, because it is online mode only. Just you have to go and apply through online only. That is very very important. You see here the online application portal will be active from 10 a.m. On 27/6/2021 to midnight on 31 July 2021. So today's date is 8th. Today's date is 8th. So we can there is 20 days of time for us. So dear friends, just you go through the instructions, all the instructions. Just you should read all the instructions carefully while applying. After that, after reading the instructions carefully only, just you can go through the website, clicking website, and go through the instructions. The system is given from time to time, dear friends. That is. And you see here one instruction, candidates should submit a single application only for any post in case of multiple applications. Registrations for any post, the last registered application shall only be considered. That is okay. And the next, candidate may apply for more than one post, but the university may hold the examinations of two or more different posts on the same day, and candidate shall have to opt to take the examination of any one post only. Dear friends, here it is very important and very important to think. Why? Because if you are interested to apply for junior stenographer or LDC or upper division clerk, etc., if you are interested to apply more than one post, that is about four posts, just imagine like that. But finally, the university is going to conduct for these vacancies only on one day. In that situation, just you have to opt whatever the post, just you have to appear for the examination. I mean, there is junior stenographer and LDC vacancies are there. For example, the university is going to conduct LDC and junior stenographers on the same day at the same time. Means just you have to opt whether you have to go for LDC or junior stenographer accordingly. Just you think of your own. We are being stenographers, we go for only stenographers only now, dear friends. Okay. Mode of selection. The selection shall be made through computer-based examinations and skill test, laboratory practical test and interview wherever applicable. Whatever it is, first you're all going to write your CBT examination. After qualifying in that, just the university is going to conduct skill tests accordingly, dear friends. And these are all the examination general instructions only. They are all general instructions. Just you go through all these things. Okay, dear friends. These are all general instructions only. Just you go through all these. Just you go through all these general instructions only. These are all general instructions. General instructions. Okay, now you see fee here. Fees. Okay, here two types of fee required for one post to apply. Here application fee and processing fee. You see, for group C and group B posts, application fee rupees 400 plus 800 processing fee, in total 1200 to apply, to pay the fee for group C vacancies. Whereas group B, 1000 rupees application fee plus 1000 rupees processing fee, in total 2000 rupees are there. And some relaxation given here for SC, ST, PWD candidates in application fee, but not in processing fee. In application fee, that is 400 and 1000 rupees respectively. And for SC, ST, PWD candidates, how to pay rupees 800 and or 1000 rupees respectively according to the group C and group B vacancies here, my dear friends. And just you keep in mind that the important thing is the last date is 31st July 2021. That is the last date, my dear friends. So these are all the things they are going to conduct. So, and also one more important here, the weightage. Regarding weightage in the examination, 50% weightage for CBT, 25% for skill test, and 25% for interview. They are going to classified. They are going to classify like that, dear friends. And minimum qualifying marks also required to in the examination, CBT examination. That is 50% minimum qualifying marks for general category people. That is 50%, and EWS and OBC, and 45% for SC, ST, PWD candidates. So this is also very important to keep in mind. Once again, I'm telling you. 50% qualifying marks is required for general, EWS and OBC candidates. 45% is required to qualify for SC, ST and PWD candidates. That is important, dear friends. And examination center, mostly in Delhi only, the examination center is. So these are all the important things only, dear friends, from my side. Nowadays, we are getting more opportunities for stenographers and typewriting based uh, people. So you should get concentrated just to apply, just to practice your shorthand well, and just to practice your typing on system. That is also very very important, my dear friends. And you get your jobs as soon as possible. Anyway, thank you very much. This is the information from my side. All the best.